Hi everyone, and welcome to Getting Started on Reels. We were asked by ASTRA to do this presentation. We are excited to have this opportunity to still do the session with you virtually since we couldn't all be together in person. My name is Anita Demetropoulos and I am with Strasmark. We help toy companies with strategy, sales, and marketing, and I'm here with Kat, our Director of Design and Social Media Marketing, to talk about Instagram Reels. If you've never created your own reel and you'd like to, you've come to the right place. If you're here, you probably have questions about Reels. Should I be on Reels? I'm familiar with Instagram and stories, but not Reels. Is it similar to TikTok? What do I need to know to get started? How do I create my first reel? We're going to answer those questions today. So what are Reels? Well, in 2016, the Chinese technology company ByteDance launched TikTok, a short-form video platform. It quickly experienced runaway success. Soon after, Instagram recognized the need to add a similar interface to their platform and introduce Reels in 2020. While Instagram stories are also short-form videos, they disappear after 24 hours. Reels, however, are permanent. You can post them directly on your Instagram profile. They stay on your Reels feed, and they can be presented to Reels users indefinitely. This means you have a higher chance of your content being discovered in Reels than in stories. Reels take up the whole screen and really capture the attention of viewers. 78% of Instagram users are age 18 to 44, making Reels a great way to reach people who purchase toys. If you want to connect with your audience using short-form videos, Reels should be a part of your strategy. It is easy to shoot and edit videos up to 1 minute long. Over 1 billion people using Instagram every month, and 59% of US adults using it daily. It's one of the top social media platforms. There is truly a space for everyone on Reels. The algorithm can determine the interest of your users and deliver content to their feed and their Explore page based on those interests. No matter who your audience is, they are on Reels. Know your niche and cater to them. People love short-form videos, which is why Reels and TikTok are so popular. So what's the difference between Reels and TikTok? Your aesthetic and your content really matter on Reels, and your look and feel should align with the branding that your followers expect. TikTok is more disruptive, organic, less polished. You can make Reels shoppable by tagging products from your Instagram shop, a feature unavailable on TikTok. Your Reels video can be up to 1 minute long compared to 3 minutes on TikTok. Your videos can be shorter. Remember, users tend to scroll from one reel to the next, so you want to capture their attention right away. The idea is to keep your audience entertained. And finally, the options for music are more limited on Reels than on TikTok. But don't worry, there are still plenty of fun sounds and trends to use. Reels are a great way to gain visibility for your brand. For example, Lego gets more than 1 million views on their Reels. Toy brands are everywhere on Reels because parents and fun-loving millennials engage with videos every day. Take advantage of the Reels algorithm to push your content out to new users. By tagging products in your Reels, you make it easier for users to become customers. Whether your audience is moms, plush lovers, or any other niche, Reels will put your content where those people can see it. If 1 in 2 people are using Instagram to discover new brands, why not get your brand seen by using Reels? Well, you can advertise and sell products like toys on Reels. Because of COPPA, toy companies are not allowed to advertise directly to children. Let's talk about best practices for Reels. First, you want to cater to your audience. Millennials and Gen Zs are the most active age groups on Instagram, so try to create content that will appeal to them. Increase your views by posting your reel to Facebook. This is a quick way to widen your reach. The algorithm loves faces, so don't be shy. You can try giving a behind-the-scenes look of your company, show employees playing with toys, demo a new game, get creative. And remember to tag the products in your Reels so viewers can buy them easily in your Instagram shop. To set your reel up for success, keep these 3 things in mind. Use trending sounds. Instagram rewards videos with trending sounds by giving them increased reach. Choose hashtags that are relevant to your brand and target audience. Hashtags can help Instagram understand your content and deliver it to the right users. And finally, balance selling with entertainment. Think about the ways to creatively feature your product or business while also entertaining viewers. Before making your first reel, you might want to switch your Instagram account to a business account. This gives you access to better analytics. It's important to note that while all the top trends and sounds are available for personal accounts, they aren't always available for business accounts. The good news is you can switch between the two and decide what is right for you. Then it's time to create your first reel. We're not going to lie, the first time can be scary, but once you post your first reel, you're on your way to success. We visited Island Treasure Toys in Maine and worked with store owner Emily to create her first reel. Our Director of Design and Social Media Marketing, Kat, is going to talk you through how we did it.
Hi everyone, I'm Kat, and I'm very excited to show you how we made this reel at Island Treasure Toys. So to build a reel, we're opening the Instagram app and pressing the plus sign in the top right. Then we're selecting Reel. This is where you could change the speed of your video, the length of your video, apply recording effects and filters, and upload content. We're going to show you how to put a reel together with video clips we already have on our phone. When we click this icon, it opens up our photo gallery. We click the top right icon to select multiple videos at once, then we can select the videos we want. We could sync the videos to music here, but we want to skip this right now. We have all our clips ready. We could trim each clip by tapping it in the timeline and then selecting the scissors. Ours are ready to go, so we're going to click Done. We're keeping the sound secret here until we show you our finished reel. To add music, we're going to tap the music note icon at the top of the screen and then tap Music. We have a trending sound saved, so let's use that. We hit Done now that we've added the music, but it's too loud and we can't hear the dialogue, so we're going to adjust the volume. We're happy with how it sounds, so we're going to hit Next. Let's give a shout out to Island Treasure Toys by tagging them in this reel. We'll just look them up quickly. Island Treasure Toys, there they are. And then we're going to add their location too. Island Treasure Toys. There they are. Now, we want to put our best face forward, so we're going to tap Cover to choose a thumbnail that represents this video well. We're sliding around on the video timeline to find the best image. That one looks good. Now we're going to add a caption with some relevant hashtags. And finally, the best thing about Reels, we can use our Instagram shop to tag products. This video featured soapstone carving kits, the bear, heart, leaf, and star. Now they're all tagged when we hit Done. This reel is ready to post. It was that easy. Now let's take a look at the final reel.
Hi, I'm Anita from Strasmark, and I'm here with Emily live from New York Toy Fair, and we're doing a reel.
Wait, what? I'm not at Toy Fair. I'm here in Maine at Island Treasure Toys.
Well, Toy Fair's virtual this year, so Emily, you are here.
Well, I guess I am, and that means that you're here, and you're here, and you're here, and you're here.
Tell me, what are your customers most excited about this year?
One new item we're really excited about is the soapstone carving kits from Studio Stone Creative. We've had these since the holidays and we really love them, and now we're gonna have some new ones, some necklaces. We have a star, a heart, and a leaf.
That's really cool!
Really cool. Get it? I hope this inspires you to get started making your own reels. Back to you, Anita.
We hope you enjoyed that reel. We had a lot of fun making it. Let's take a minute to review what we covered today. We talked about why your brand or company should use Reels, some of the key differences between Reels and TikTok, and the 3 main things to think about when creating a reel. And we stepped you through how to create a reel at Island Treasure Toys. You should now have a better understanding of Reels and feel more comfortable getting started with creating and publishing your own. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. Please email us if you have any questions and connect with us on social media so we can enjoy your reels.